CellAge is really a cell superfood to me. I love CellAge. I've been taking CellAge for 2 years. 2 years exactly. Every night I will take 2 sachets before I sleep, and the next day I wake up very energetic. I've been having a very hectic lifestyle, working almost 10 hours a day, and at night after going back, I still have to do my housework. Now I'm at my early 50s, and you can notice that my skin are glowing. I'm not putting any makeup or any foundation. This is my natural skin. I notice my skin glowing after taking this CellAge. I'm at my menopause age. I don't have any hot flushes and no mood swing, and I have a very smooth and enjoy my aging, and I'm aging gracefully. So I think this is a food that everyone should try. Money can't buy health. I trust it because I believe in this product. Because I've been trying many other food supplements, either TCM or Western, but this really, I don't feel any heatiness. Stem cell ingredient, as the doctor has mentioned, is really go into your cell and it really rebuilds your cell. It's just like something inside you at the moment. And this food really give me the confidence to try without any side effect, and it's really affordable. This is just an amazing cell superfood. You all should try and love yourself. This CellAge is really good. Give it a try.